Hey everybody, developers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Eugene Crypto, MC, your host, and this is a short review of the digest, NIFTSY digest number 14, which covers the main NFT events which happened in the world of NFT in August 2022. I'd like to remember you, if you have no time for tracking all the news on NFT world on a daily basis, we have already done this job for you. And you may also be signed on our Telegram channel named DeWeb. You may find the link in the description, by the way. The digest is also here. So we track NFT news on a daily basis. And at the end of every month, we deliver you a digest, which is long read. It's not for those who are in a hurry, but for those who want to, I would say for white paper readers, love to deeply dive for in 14, 15, or 30 minutes, for example, to dive into the fundamental understanding what has happened in the recent months. So let's look into the digest number 14. You may find it on the link below in the description. So the main study of the digest, as the main part of the digest, is regarding building market microstructure for NFTs. A lot of problems, a lot of discussions regarding market efficiency. I do not love this term, market efficiency, because every market is efficient as it has been. But nevertheless, a lot of discussions are being held regardless of this question. So the fundamental study, what are the main problems regarding market efficiency, are now existing on NFT markets, and how this market work. I would say that lovers of the cryptocurrency exchanges and crypto marketplaces and so on and so forth will very love this digest, because it explains how markets work, how the settlements are held, how the buyers and sellers are met, and all this regarding NFT current stage. I would say this is a brilliant analysis of the current market efficiency on NFT market situation. So read it if you are involved into any NFT trade or marketplaces, or just interested in understanding in the question of the market efficiency of NFT markets for today. The main news and updates, you may see their list, and you might read them on the web Telegram channel. Regulation news, reviews on the event regarding ETH Seoul in August, some interesting links on the recordings on YouTube. Security section, a lot of questions have been raised regarding NFT stealing, money laundering, and so on and so forth, because NFT is a private property in a digital form. So a lot of safety questions are raised, and we need to deal with them, and a lot of security. Hacking Discord using, so interesting study how Discord is being used for hacking and fraud. It is not a technological fraud, it is social engineering fraud, you may understand. Analysis section of the dilemma of soul-bound tokens, a very interesting section. You might have heard that Envelop has already implemented a creating of soul-bound token on its platform. You may find the link in the Medium post. So Envelop allows you to create soul-bound tokens, as they've been announced by Vitalik Buterin. And the dilemma of soul-bound tokens is being discussed in the analysis section, because soul-bound tokens is a quite interesting tool, but a lot of fraudulent guys may create soul-bound tokens, and I would say reward you with the token you wouldn't have acquired otherwise, and you will not want able to move it, because this is soul-bound, it is tied, you cannot move it. And this raises a lot of question how these tokens will be used by different not very good people. So read this section and you will learn a lot of future and can predict the future, be able to predict the future of soul-bound tokens. in the future. So pseudo swap question, pseudo AMM, if you are familiar with that, is also in this section. NFT brands case study overview regarding how brands, you might know that brands have already used NFT actively because this their marketing tool. So interesting part of this analysis, how brands have already used NFT for their marketing. And the very interesting question, I would say, a survey of using licensing NFT. You may ask, what the hell is licensing NFT? Because NFT have dealt with pictures, where we have pictures, we inevitably contact all the major bulk of this IP, intellectual property rights, and all people who deal with NFT have to deal with this issue of IPs, licensing, and so on and so forth. This is going to be interesting law or jurist question. So if you are related to IP question regarding NFT, you may find this section interesting for you. Different crimes and most recent frauds regarding Tornado Cash also you may find there, how NFT, how different frauds which use NFT are taking place, and this is the interesting world. So the world of NFT is the world of private property, and every issue we have already got into the world of physical property, for example, will be available in the world of digital property. No difference, no distinction. If we have property, regardless of the form, physical or digital, please deal with all the safety, security, and licensing, and so on and so forth. This bulk of issues regarding property existing and moving and trading and using in commercial turnover, and so on and so forth. And of course, NFT market web traffic data section for all of you who love to analyze markets in August, where NFT were traded, what were market volumes, prices, marketplaces, and so on and so forth. Very interesting market analytics, market keys in the end of the digest number 14. So this has been a short review of NFT Digest brought to you by the way, Metaverse Monthly Report is also because Metaverse is the place where NFTs such as land and so on, the place where NFT are living quite actively, and we need to divide to move to explain Metaverse segment of NFT world separately from the world of NFT. So you see that this specialization, I would say, detailization of NFT markets. We do not talk about NFT markets in general. We talk about specific markets. So find this digest and read it on the link in the description. Join the DeWeb Telegram channel, where all the news which you may find in the digest are delivered to you on a daily basis, and read them on a daily basis or read it in the end of the month in the form of digest. Thank you for our marketing team, my colleague Adrian, who is preparing this digest and communicating with you with through this Telegram channel. And find the digest, read it, and stay tuned with Envelop. Till the next review, bye-bye.